Hi, Dr. Naruhani Romano. I'm Shen Zishun. My metro number is 155790. In this video, I will present about what I have learned and my development and show how I use the knowledge I learned in VGT 103 typography in my works and designs. So, we start now. I will present the reflection about the text 1, text 2, text 3, and text 4 first. The elements of typography composition include hierarchy, contrast, balance, unity, and so on. In text 1, I used the elements of hierarchy and balance to design and finish the poster in scenes of a poem called Guna Paguna Guna. And the final poster effect was also very excellent. But due to the technical reasons, the text in the poster appears a sense of separation so that the audience cannot understand the meanings of the poem. To improve the design and the poster, it can be used the gradient of the font color to create a better effect. However, in Test 2, which was designed a poster about typography syntax, it could not have a nice effectuation because of my incomplete understanding of typography elements. The first poster was designed to show a jail-like sense of oppression, but also failed to clearly reflect and express the typography element, and the message intended to convey to the viewer. To improve the design, I finished the other one poster, and I hope it can show the elements of hierarchy and balance and show the shape of an hourglass in the structure, which can effectively attract the viewer and guide their vision to the key to the poster. However, due to my lack of deep understanding of use the typography element, the effect of the update poster is still unsatisfactory, which require me to reference and imitate the relevant poster in the future to deepen my understanding of these elements. In test 3, about designing a logo via my name, I used the two-letter S to finish it. I combined the two-letter S and form a structure of DNA as my logo. And this DNA also represents the major I have learned. In the design of the logo, I did not encounter obvious difficulties, and in the end, it showed a very good effect. However, due to the combination of the color blue and color yellow or orange, some logos make the audience feel uncomfortable or unbalanced, which require me to rematch their colors. Finally, I used the color matching of American retro style to design the logo color. It showed less eyes popping and uneven effect. In test 4 about typeface design, it needed to be used the swatch element to design the Malay culture font. However, because of my improficiencies in the use of swatch element and lack of understanding of Malay culture, I choose to use mosaic elements and design forms and hope to achieve a good effect. I use Banggai Tanjung's pattern elements and mosaic fonts to design a series of main fonts. However, due to the limitation of font size, these pattern elements cannot be well displayed in the font. To improve my font design about this course, I need to have a deeper understanding of Malay culture and observe and learn other people's design of forms and their expression of the elements. Next, I will present the reflection about the final project. The final project is design a poster about coral reef. In the process of designing the poster, I first learned about the difficulties faced by corals and the causes of these difficulties through TikTok, YouTube, Google, and other channels. Fortunately, when I searched for these materials, I found a kind of corals that I can't forget. It has a structure like human lungs, which determine the main elements that will appear in my poster. Then I try to use plastic bag or plastic bottle to imitate human bodies and use lung coral to imitate human lungs to emphasize that the living environment of corals is endangered by plastic waste and that coral are just as important as our human lung. For the key element, I designed four elements to use in my poster. After constantly trying and modifying the elements, I designed two sketches and used the one with the best effect as my poster design. After the discussion with Dr. Narohani Rumano, I adjusted the elements of the poster so that the visual effect was the whole poster was balanced and I complete my final poster design. In this poster design, I can finally make good use of the elements of typography and other typography knowledge and skills. And the final poster present the effect also let me feel very satisfied. However, after finishing this project, I deeply find that I'm not proficient in using design software, and I need to use and practice more. In this course, I was exposed to use Adobe Illustrator, and now I'm familiar with this design software. In the poster design, now I have better design thinking and I can use typography elements better than before. In the discussion with Dr. Naru Hanirumano, I understood the quality and ability I should have as a person and as a designer. In order to improve my typesetting ability, I need to observe and browse more excellent works. I also appreciate the help and dedication of Dr. Naru Hanirumano. I hope that the knowledge I have learned in this course can be used or applied to my major work or other places. I also hope that one day in the future, Dr. Naruhani Romano can see my works and be proud of me. That's all. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you for your help and your dedication. I hope I can see you in next semester. Thank you. Have a good time.